Today on Destination Bacon, we're making bacon cheeseburger pie. So for this dish, I'm actually using 93% lean ground turkey. But of course you can use lean ground beef. I'm just trying to make this dish a little more heart healthy. You brown up that beef or your ground turkey and then set it aside. Dice your onions. So 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and you're gonna saute your onions. Then add your garlic, 2 cloves, mix it in. And then add your ground beef or your ground turkey back in. Then you're going to remove it from the heat and add your tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of Worcestershire, a teaspoon of pickle juice, and you're going to add a 1/4 cup of the chopped dill pickles and give it a good stir. Then you're going to take your pie crust and lay it inside your pie dish. Then put your mixture into the pie crust. Beat 1 egg into your cup of milk. Pour your mixture over your meat mix. Then add a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Then weave your bacon up top. After you weave your bacon on there, you're going to cover it with aluminum foil and then bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. And now for the taste test. It tastes exactly like a cheeseburger. Wow. The Dijon mustard really makes it taste like a cheeseburger. The bacon is delicious and smoky. The crust, you know, imitates that hamburger bun. You gotta try this, you guys. Fairly simple to make. I did have to keep it in the oven longer than the 35 minutes, closer to an hour. And then I put it on broil for the last 3 minutes to crisp up the bacon. See you next week. Don't forget to like, mash the subscribe button, and comment below.